So this is an exam sheet that has already been imputed with scores. So we want to convert these scores to letter grades. But the problem here is that we do not know the right formula to use in calculating this letter grade. So we will use ChatGPT to find the formula for the first person and for the first subject, and then we copy it across the remaining cells. It's going to copy relatively. So we'll be making use of cell C4, which is the first person here, cell C4, and this is the key. This is what we'll be using here. So let's go over to ChatGPT and enter what we want. So I say write an Excel formula for a spreadsheet to calculate letter grade. I've told it what it should do. Okay, so the cell that contains value is C4. Use this clue below. A 70 to 100, B 60 to 69, C 50 to 59, D 45 to 49, E 40 to 44, and F 0 to 39. So I've given it this one. Let's see if it will give us the exact formula. Boom. That's written it. Now, the correctness of your answer depends on how much vividness you put to your description. If your description is clear enough, is vivid, and is straight to the point, Excel will always give you the right answer. So if you get the wrong answer, it means that you did not describe it well enough. So I'm going to copy it and paste it. So I have copied exactly this sheet here that contains value, and I've copied it and pasted here and removed the value. So I'm going to paste whatever the formula I copied from ChatGPT, and then I'll copy it across and double click. You can see the magic and see how powerful and how accurate it is. So it has, within split of seconds or within 30 seconds, it has been able to give me a formula. It's less than a second. In less than a second, it's able to give me a formula. And within 30 seconds, we have been able to calculate the letter grade for 243 students. That's the power of combining ChatGPT and Excel. See you in another video.